I'm Chuck Tatum. I'm Professor Emeritus of Spanish from the University of Arizona, where I taught for almost 30 years. I'm introducing a film that I think you'll find remarkable. It's Purgatorio by a brilliant and stunning new director, Rodrigo Reyes. Rodrigo brings to the fore a poetic sense using wide-angle shots, a score, and just a general conception of the border as a place of beauty as opposed to a place of violence. So this is an enthusiastic invitation to you to view the film, to view the introduction that I've given of the film, but particularly giving time to this, I think, unique rendering of the US-Mexico border.